This week's hot new product comes courtesy of the guys at Kicker. This is a really cool product. It's one of their loaded down-firing enclosures. Before I even get into it, I know right from the box that it handles 1,000 watts of peak power, but is recommended for the 500 watt RMS. That's where it handles the best. It contains, if I'm not mistaken, a CompRT subwoofer, as well as a reFLEX subwoofer, so you get that serious low bass. And the idea is that it doesn't take up much space. So let's get into that and see if that is the case. All right, well that's cool. So my guess was right. You've got a CompRT subwoofer on this side and a reFLEX subwoofer on this side. Really nice. Just like our previous Kicker product we unboxed, the same integrated power wire and ground wire you just push. As you can see as well, it's not that big. So the idea is you can put this in your trunk and it's gonna fire downwards, hence the name. Your subs are facing downwards. And this is full of really strong and over-the-top internal bracing, so you can have stuff on top of this in your trunk, which is a nice departure from a lot of subwoofers where you mount it in your trunk and you don't want anything near it or touching the cone. This completely prevents that, which is really nice. It's ultra efficient bass in a small space, which is also really nice. To make their subs even more reliable, Kicker engineers developed forced air cooling, which helps these subs run 20% cooler than other models. Just some measurements really quick in case you are planning to fit this in your build and you're wondering how much space it's going to take up. So the box top depth is 14 inches and 5/8 or 37 centimeters. Box bottom depth is 14 and 5/8 and 37. The box height is 6 inches and 1/8 or 15.6 centimeters, and the box width 27.5 inches or 70 centimeters. So needless to say, this is gonna fit in the majority of builds. It's also really good for you truck guys that have some room under your seats and you don't want to take up cab space with a subwoofer. This fits nicely under most truck seats and is a great option for adding bass without taking up all your room. If you want to see more about this or all of the other loaded enclosures and stuff that Kicker offers, definitely head on over to kicker.com. They've got something for everyone in all sorts of sizes, so check them out.